As access to streaming services and remote work arrangements become an increasingly important part of daily life for many, Windstream sought to provide its customers with enhanced internet speed and reliability through a fiber optic upgrade. Prior to the line installation component of the project, the local municipality required an ISA-certified arborist to oversee any tree removal or pruning, which might be necessary to accomplish the objective. As a result, Windstream needed a provider with expertise in the telecommunications industry who could manage both the process of overhead line installation and provide the vegetation management capability necessary to complete the upgrade. Enter Davey Utility Solutions. Davey was able to provide Windstream with on-time delivery of the line upgrade and an experienced team of professional utility arborists to handle the tree clearing work. Windstream's project was completed successfully and on schedule. By working with Davey, Windstream maximized efficiency and could trust that both the line installation and vegetation management were being handled by professional crews with experience across disciplines. Let us show you the power of Davey Utility Solutions.